Fertilization and gestation. In this video, we are going to look at different stages in the formation of a baby. Stages of gestation. A baby can be formed in a woman's reproductive system when a man's sperm successfully reaches and penetrates through a woman's egg. This is when the fertilization of the egg occurs. Formation of a baby. There are 5 early stages in the formation of a baby, which are ovulation, copulation, fertilization, cell division and implantation. Now let's see all these in a bit more detail. Ovulation. Ovulation is one of the phases in a woman's menstrual cycle. When a mature egg is released from one of the ovaries, it is then available for fertilization by sperm, leading to pregnancy. A mature egg is released from the ovary to the fallopian tube where it waits to meet a sperm. Copulation. During copulation, sperms are released from the male penis to the female vagina during sexual intercourse. Normally, 1 milliliter of semen will contain 100 million sperm. Fertilization. When the sperm meets and penetrates the egg successfully, fertilization occurs, and the fertilized egg is called zygote. This process occurs in the fallopian tube of a woman. Cell division. After the sperm fertilizes the egg, the resulting zygote begins to undergo rapid cell division. After 24 hours, the fertilized egg zygote will divide from 1 cell into 2. The egg will further divide into 32 cells after 4 days, and it is called an embryo. The term embryo is generally used to describe the developing organism from fertilization until about 8 weeks of gestation, after which point it is referred to as a fetus. Implantation. The embryo will typically implant itself into the uterus wall around 1 week after fertilization, and this is the time the placenta will also begin to grow. Implantation is the first stage of gestation. Development of embryo during gestation. The whole process of the development of an embryo to a full baby is called gestation. It is the period a baby spends in the uterus till birth. The period of gestation usually starts from the first day of a woman's last menstrual cycle until the baby is delivered. The average length of the gestational period is 40 weeks. However, it can vary between 37 to 42 weeks. During gestation, the embryo goes through multiple stages of development. At 1 month, the embryo will be 6 millimeters, or a quarter inch long, less than the size of a grain. It will have ears, eyes, legs, a brain and a heart. At 9 weeks, the baby's body will be fully formed, and the embryo will grow to 25 millimeters long. It is called a fetus. At 3 months, the fetus will be 54 millimeters long and looks like a baby. And it is fully formed with all the organs, bones and muscles. At 5 months, the fetus will be about 160 millimeters long, and it will start kicking. The fingernails can also be felt at this stage. The baby will start urinating from the week 20 of pregnancy. At 7 months, the fetus will be 370 millimeters long, and there is a fair chance of survival if it is born at this stage. At week 28 of the pregnancy, the baby can open its eyes. At 39 weeks, the baby is fully developed with a length of 520 millimeters long and ready to be born at this stage. During the gestational period, the placenta provides oxygen and all nutrients from the mother to the fetus. This organ is developed in the uterus during pregnancy. The placenta also gets rid of the waste products and carbon dioxide from the fetus. The umbilical cord connects the placenta to the fetus, and it will fall off automatically after the baby is born. If a baby is born and alive before the completion of 37 weeks, it is called a premature baby.